Lavender White Sangria Recipe. This is a spectacular holiday beverage full with color, flavor, and beauty. Enjoy. Servings, 24-30. Serve in beautiful punch cups or glasses. Ingredients: 6 3-inch spears of lavender buds, 1 cups raspberries, 1 kiwi, thinly sliced, 1 peach, thinly sliced, 1 banana, thinly sliced, 1 mango, thinly sliced, 1 lime, thinly sliced, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 cup strawberries, thinly sliced, 1 cup purple grapes, 1 cup red grapes, 1 cup green grapes, 2 cups apple juice, 2 cups white grape juice, 1 cup lavender liqueur, 1 bottle Pinto Grigio, 750 milliliters, 1 bottle Sauvignon Blanc, 750 milliliters, 1 bottle Chardonnay, 750 milliliters, ice cubes. 2-3 cups per bottle of wine, more or less according to your desire. Preparation instructions. In a large punch bowl, combine the lavender liqueur, apple juice, grape juice, and white wines. Gently place the several types of fruit in the punch bowl with the lavender liqueur and white wines and gently stir. Add the lavender spears. Gently stir again. Cover the punch with plastic and put the punch bowl in the refrigerator for several hours, at least for 6, to allow the fruit to macerate, flavors to mingle, and the lavender to scent and flavor the sangria. Add the ice cubes to the punch just before serving. Serve in beautiful punch cups or glasses.